Good morning, everyone. My name is Irene, and I just got off of work. It's a Tuesday morning, and I actually only go in for one client. She's a really good client. I usually don't work Tuesday, but I came in today, to do her hair. And when I left, which was around 10 o'clock, 10:15, I actually popped my top down because here in Florida, it's absolutely gorgeous. We've had beautiful weather since Sunday. It's like maybe, 73, 74 degrees, and at night it goes down to the 60s, and it's just beautiful. But what I really wanted to chat about was to tell you how I was able to get extra money in my paycheck. As most of you must know, I've been on Facebook for, about 4 or 5 years. I'm a hairstylist, and I've been a hairstylist for, oh my gosh, it's like 45 years now. And I still love it, don't get me wrong. But all this time, from the time I was in my 20s, nobody really showed me, even the accountants I have, really showed me how to fill out a W-4 form so that I could receive more money in my paycheck rather than having it accumulate through the year and getting like a lump sum at the end of the year. And what that does is that gives the IRS the leverage, because they now have your money and they could use it, to collect interest or whatever they do with it before they give it back to you, what is due you. So now I learned that's not the right way to do it. I was able to free up. Right now I'm in it's not a busy season right now. I am going to be going into the busy season when my snowbirds, more of the snowbirds come down. Right now there's a few of them in. So my paycheck is strictly commission. I work strictly commission. I don't get a set salary. So it's hard for me to relay to you exactly how much more in my paycheck I have, but as of right now, since my paycheck is lower, I'm averaging anywhere from $30 to $50 more a week in my paycheck. So I just got a raise. I can't even imagine how much it's going to be when I start getting bigger paychecks. I guarantee you it's going to be at least $100 a week. That's $400 a month extra in my pocket to do with, either to invest it into stocks, bonds, even Bitcoin. Whatever your investment is, IRAs, wherever you want to put that money to invest into your future. And you're never too late to learn, as everybody must know. I'm 70, actually 71, and I was never taught this many years ago. I'm just learning it now. But you know what? I've also believe you're never too old to learn anything, or to turn over a leaf. And that's exactly what's happening to me right now. I got an automatic pay raise, and I'm ecstatic about it because I'm starting to pay off my debts. That extra money I'm putting into paying off my debts. And I could show you how to do that. Knowledge is a beautiful thing, but it's unfortunately a lot of people, they're floundering around out there and they don't know. They go to YouTube and you could find out how to, do the same thing. But a lot of the YouTube videos out there are, they're old. So they're not up to date. And some of them they don't have downloadable documents, whereas this company has that. You can fix your credit, you can raise your credit score, you can pay off your debt. It just shows you how to do all this stuff. And I urge you to take a look at it. It has really been a tremendous help to me. I'm very excited about it. So I just wanted to do this beautiful video outside because it's absolutely gorgeous. I just stopped to pick up some salmon for tonight's dinner with a nice sweet potato and maybe some rice cauliflower. And I just wanted to share that with you today. Like I said, it's such a beautiful day. I love putting my top down. This is the second day this season that I've had the top down. It's gorgeous out. Wish you all were here, especially all my friends and relatives that are up north of here, up in New York. But at any rate, I hope you're having a great day. I know I am. I'm going home now to do some more work on my computer, and I will catch you on the next video. For now, over and out from sunny Florida.